Hello and welcome to our instructional video on solving equations. In this video, we will be solving the equation 4x plus 8 equals 12 to find the value of the variable x. Follow along step by step as we work through this problem together. Let's get started. To solve the equation 4x plus 8 equals 12, we start by isolating the variable on one side of the equation. We aim to have only the term with x on the left side and everything else on the right side. The current equation is 4x plus 8 equals 12. Step 1 involves removing the constant term 8 from the left side of the equation. To do this, we need to subtract 8 from both sides of the equation. This step is important because we are applying the principle of equality, which states that if we do the same operation to both sides of an equation, it remains balanced. So we subtract 8 from the left side and from the right side. The left side of the equation, 4x plus 8 minus 8, simplifies to just 4x. The right side, 12 minus 8, simplifies to 4. Now the equation has been transformed into 4x equals 4. This means we have successfully isolated the term with x on the left side. Step 2 involves solving for the variable x by isolating it completely. Right now, we have the equation 4x equals 4. To isolate x, we need to get rid of the coefficient, which is the number 4 that is multiplied by x. To do this, we perform the opposite operation of multiplication, which is division. We will divide both sides of the equation by 4. This means we divide the left side of the equation, 4x, by 4. Doing this, 4x divided by 4 simplifies to just x because 4 divided by 4 equals 1, and 1 times x is simply x. On the right side of the equation, we also need to divide 4 by 4, so 4 divided by 4 equals 1. Thus, after dividing both sides by 4, we find that x equals 1. At this point, the variable x has been completely isolated and we have our solution. Therefore, the value of x is 1. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.